Did you know that manufacturers use as many as 10 different applications to run their business? As you could imagine, keeping everyone on the same page in that type of environment isn't easy. Break that vicious cycle with Odoo, the out-of-the-box solution designed to meet all your business needs. MRP, quality, PLM, and so much more in one single solution. With the best master production schedule ever created, you can easily automate your manufacturing and purchase orders planning. Afraid of running out of stock? Take advantage of the demand forecast to always ensure that you have enough stock on hand. Odoo will also change your employee's life. With Odoo's intuitive software, all information is gathered in one single place. From worksheet instructions to production recording, everything is recorded in just a few clicks. To make your life even easier, Odoo can connect to all sorts of devices such as barcode scanners, cameras, scales, or other measurement tools. This means your process is fully optimized, which leads to more productivity and fewer errors. Since everything is integrated, communication improves. And quality alerts or maintenance requests are just a few clicks away. The right team gets notified automatically, and any error that occurs can be tracked easily. With all that in place, defining quality control points to ensure that each material meets your quality standards is a piece of cake. And when the issue is more severe than you thought, the PLM app comes to the rescue. Create and manage ECOs easily with the solution tracking system. This enables you to organize bills of materials automatically. Also, the PLM app offers a clear overview of which changes are in progress. And which still need to be approved. When done, you can easily check the new BOM's cost and structure, thanks to a detailed report. And because everything is connected, those changes will be directly communicated to other teams. The same goes for maintenance, which allows you to schedule preventive maintenance to streamline the entire process. The killer feature, dynamic reports, are available in every Odoo apps. All the information you could ever need can be sorted, grouped, filtered, and displayed using various graph types. With Odoo, you can quickly get a cost analysis of your MOs, and total traceability is just a click away. Use Odoo's MRP suite to strengthen your internal communication and manufacturing processes today. Odoo, the one solution that meets all your business needs.